Toledo is beautiful.
Uy!
Oh my gosh. Nasa Jollibee.
Llegaste a mí como una luz de primavera,
Beautiful.
con aire puro que libera mi corazón. Llegaste a mí con amor libre y sincero.
Perfect.
Lo que yo siento es verdadero amor por ti.
This is my hotel.
Wow.
Guys. All the pagod. Look at that view. This is the city of Toledo. Literally. Mas ma-appreciate ninyo. Tignan nyo. Am I dreaming? Grabe yung tinrabaho ko this past few months. Just so I can enjoy this. So, even if wala pa si Alec, let's just enjoy this, diba? And also, tonight is the welcome dinner. So, kailan ko mag-ayos. Sundayin ako dito nila Zach ng 6:45. It's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock and super maaraw pa, guys. I need to fix myself, freshen up, and then let's go! Talking with the jowa. Video call muna siya. Dapat nandito ka na bukas ng gabi, ha? Abot ka ba?
Hindi eh.
Parang ngayon yung last, di ba, na para umabot ka. Guys, this is what I'm wearing. Ka-flats lang ako. Kasi, hindi ako mahirapan sa life. Yeah, this is the look. Let's go! Hello! I'm with Bea and Zach.
Hello.
Oh, finally! Third win. Oh. Wow!
Excited to share it tomorrow. Send us some manifestations.
Yeah! So cute! Hello! So bright. Guys, followers! Para safe.
And I'm super excited to party with you guys for the next 2 days.
Good morning from Toledo. Guys, may kasalanan ako kasi I slept with a man. Siguro na-tempt na rin kasi mag-isa ako dito. Ito, ilang hours na tayo magkausap, babe?
I have no idea, but I think mga nasa
9 hours.
9 hours. Yep. Hindi, almost 11 hours na.
11 hours na tayo magkausap. Anyway, guys, iyak ako na iyak kagabi. Ang tagal na pinla. Last year pa. Namimiss ko na si Cuenca. Wala ka talagang Cuenca. So anyway, I'm gonna explore Toledo today with my friend, sila Zach. So, let's go! Day 1 of enjoying Toledo on my own. So, dito na yung cab. Walang way dito, kundi cab lang. Walang Uber.
Hola.
Hola. I'm going here.
Catalino, ma.
Yeah. I'm going to Catalino. Enjoy lang natin yung weather. Grabe, dami naglalakad na tao. Kahapon walang tao dito, ha. Ngayon meron na, oh my God, so ganda. I'm so grateful to be here. I miss you, Alec, pero I can't help myself but be so happy that I'm here. Toledo is beautiful. Like, it's a small city na. Ganda lang, ang ganda talaga. Solo traveling, let's go. Done this many times, kaya ko to. Parang mali yung nilakad ko. Maling-mali talaga. As in, walang mapupuntahan yung nilakad ko, guys. Pero, push pa din. Oh my gosh, nakakatakot, guys. Day 4 in Spain at nagkanin na po tayo for today's video. We got chicken. Oh my God. Iced tea. Yung total ng lunch ko is 1465. It's around 800 pesos. I think. Depende. Good lunch. I didn't finish, but good lunch. I just posted about my frustration with everything that's happening. Grabe yung iyak ko dahil sa mga nangyayari. But you know what? I never get to experience this twice. So why not enjoy it? Tingnan nyo naman ang view ko. Ang hirap talaga maging malungkot kapag ganito yung view mo. Oh my God. Anyway, nandito na yung mga kasama ko. Finally. Let's go! Paano ka naman malulungkot kung ganyan yung view? Ay, tapos ang gwapo pa ng mga Spanish. Diyos ko. Doon pa! Diretso! Sikat pala ako dito. May nakakakilala sa akin. Ah, sasakay ako?
Chino
Actually, dyan na. Pababa na tayo dyan. Oo. Gracias. Wow! Dumating lang si Rasmussen, lumamig na. Ay, coach! Pang ilang country na natin to together. Travelers na naman. Let's go. Wow. Celebrating love. Wow, beautiful. Me with Mary Moa. Going to the bus.
May transition yan.
Going to the bus. Magpapalit pa ng damit. Wow.
Sinasabi ko, hindi palaban mo.
Bawal kasi sa church kita ang cleavage. Balabalan siya. Looking good, everyone? Nasaan Jollibee? Oh, wow. Bichikoy ang social dito. Ilbilangin mo yung baso mo, ilan?
Grabe talaga yung mga ganito pa lang mga event. Talagang mag-aso sa joy.
Cheers! Cheers!
Isang baso na naman ang huhugasan.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. Just wanna make you smile.
Fancy meal steak.
Hold your hand.
Grabe, kanina pa kami kumakain. Mga 3.5 hours na tayo kumakain. Sobrang abundant na tong wedding na to. Ang daming food. We cannot say no. You're never in Toledo twice. Huh? For a wedding. So, this is our last meal for the next maybe 34 hours. Sobrang busog na kami. Siguro see you again in like 3 days. Ganon. Sobrang daming food.
Light, laughter, and happiness. This is the best group of people Mara and I are so proud to share this room with. And from everyone, from our friends to our family.
What you're doing is making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Spent the whole morning talking to the jowa. Bye hotel room. I'm rushing to the train station. And now it's like 10 o'clock. Bye, Toledo. It was nice meeting you.
And I can't help but smile.